How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another Jailbreak Wednesday, bringing you the best tweaks of the week. And the first tweak I've got for you today is AutoDismiss Siri, and kind of like the name implies, Siri automatically dismisses once you have her on for long enough. So I'm just going to demonstrate that.
I can help with that if you update to the latest version of iOS.
So just give it 5 seconds, which is what I've set it at in the settings of AutoDismiss Siri, and there you go. Siri has automatically been dismissed, which is pretty cool. The next tweak is called Suave 7, and Suave 7 is a bunch of themes that are really high quality, and I haven't been able to test them all completely on my phone because it just decides to default to Vixelum for me. So currently all my icons are Vixelum, but you can see some of them trying to change to Suave 7, like this Amazon Prime Video and this eBay over here. So Suave 7 is kind of like a vintage theme to your iOS device, so you guys do check it out. It's a pretty good tweak. The next tweak is called Bounce It.
I can find that device or contact name.
Thank you, Alexa. The next trick is called Bounce It, and Bounce It basically gives you a bounce animation to basically all parts of iOS. So I'm opening camera right now, and there's a bounce animation to open and close out of camera, so that's pretty cool. So look at that again, and then it kind of like bounces. Even the app switcher bounces, the settings also bounces into place. So that's pretty cool if you're really into bounce animations. The next one is called CustomCall Background, and I'm going to leave a screenshot for this one because I'm unable to make a call to this device now. But basically you can change the settings of the way your background for your calls are. So I'm just going to quickly show you the settings for custom call background. I'll leave the name of this tweak that helps you minimize different sections of your settings. But yeah, custom call background. So this is what you can do with custom call background. You can make a transparent background. You can add a light blur, a dark tint, or just blurred background, which is standard, I think, on iOS 11. On iOS 12, it's actually more of a transparent, rather not transparent, but you can see your wallpaper very clearly, which stunned me the first time I saw it. They kind of like went back and forth during the betas for iOS 12 for that particular feature. So yeah, I'll leave the screenshots for both of them on the left and right for you guys to see. The next tweak is called StrongerFi, so basically stronger Wi-Fi, and this is also in the settings. This is also a pretty cool one. So in StrongerFi, you can set criteria for when you want your device to connect to a particular Wi-Fi network. So I haven't set this up yet, but I do plan on setting this up. So I have a Wi-Fi and I have a wired connection that goes into a Wi-Fi router. So with this, I can basically set a criteria that I don't want it to connect to the main Wi-Fi, but I want it to connect to my subset of my Wi-Fi through an Ethernet cable. Shouldn't be too complicated, but yeah, you can basically just set criteria for what Wi-Fi network your device should connect to based on signal strength or the actual name of the SSID itself. So that's pretty cool. The next trick is called LifeGuard, and LifeGuard is pretty cool. So you can basically set buttons to do resprings on your device. So my respring is up, down, but it doesn't do anything for me for some reason. Yeah, so I don't know why it's not working for me, but do give it a go. It could just be me missing out something. You guys should probably get it. And we'll just move on to the next tweak. It's called Smooth Table. So Smooth Table, kind of like the way my settings looks right now. I don't currently have it enabled, but this is by Miss Settings, which gives me this condensed table view, which is what tables are in iOS. And it's really nice. So with Smooth Table, you can also do customizations like this. You can round off the corners of your table view. So do give it a go. This is also kind of like Smooth Table. As you can see, my table view is not extending all the way to the ends of the screen, but rather just like a small part of the screen. So that's pretty cool. The next and last tweak is called Better Telegram, and I don't have Telegram on this device. I'm actually recording with the device I have Telegram on. But if you guys use Telegram, it basically allows you to customize Telegram, kind of like the other Twitter customizers that I've shown in the past, where you can change different colors and stuff like that. So do give that a go. And yeah, that's it for this week's Jailbreak Wednesday. Thank you guys for tuning in. There's not as many people as before who are still going on with this Jailbreak Wednesdays, but I do appreciate you guys are still tuning in. That's awesome. I'm glad that we still like Jailbreak, and Jailbreak is not dying, hopefully, yet. Well, anyway guys, see you in the next one. Yomtosh here, signing out.